In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your background in Google Meet with ease. This quick tutorial is designed to guide you through the process step by step, ensuring that your virtual meetings can have just the right backdrop, whether you're going for something professional or fun. First, let's start by going to Google Meet. You can do this by opening your preferred web browser and typing in the Google Meet URL, or simply searching for it in your search engine. Once you've navigated to the Google Meet homepage, you'll see a few options. What you want to focus on here is the New Meeting button, which is often prominently displayed. Clicking on this will provide a couple of choices, but for today we're going to select Start an Instant Meeting. This option allows you to quickly begin a meeting on your own, perfect for testing out how to set up your background privately. Now that we're in an instant meeting, take a moment to look around. You should see the familiar Google Meet interface, including your video feed, which is probably showing whatever happens to be behind you in your current location. But don't worry, we're about to change that. Direct your attention to the lower right corner of the screen. Here you'll find the More Options button, usually shown with 3 vertical dots. Click on it to open a drop-down menu of various settings and controls. Within this menu, look for an option labelled Backgrounds and Effects. This is your key to customizing what everyone else will see behind you. Clicking on this option brings up a panel on the right side of the screen, showcasing different kinds of backgrounds and visual effects you can use. You'll find a range of built-in backgrounds provided by Google. These can include simple aesthetic patterns, abstract designs, or even some more playful themes. Choose one that suits your needs by simply clicking on it. If you're feeling adventurous and a built-in background doesn't quite do it for you, Google Meet also provides the option to upload your own images. You can find the option to add your own picture near the top of the Backgrounds panel. Select it and then follow the prompts to upload an image from your computer. It's a great way to personalize your meeting space, perhaps with a company logo or a beautiful view from your favorite vacation. Once you've selected a background or uploaded your own, take a look at your video feed again. You should see the new background replacing whatever was there before. If it's not quite right, you can always switch to another option until you find the perfect one. And there you have it, you've successfully changed your background in Google Meet, creating a more professional, fun or personal meeting space that can help convey exactly the atmosphere you're looking for. Thanks for joining today and happy meetings.